Hi, this is my GE Light Christmas light demo using RFDuino 90101. I am just putting it in a little Tupperware for outside. I plan on sealing it later after I'm done doing all my tweaks and everything. Right now I have 5 connectors coming out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can all see them all in the back there. I'm using the XT60 RC connectors that some people would be familiar with if you were doing RC cars or drones or something like that with the LiPo batteries. In the box, in the case here, I have the RFDuino. I'm actually using the USB power that I'm plugging into this guy, the power strip here. I'm using 3 GPIOs. I modified toddfun.com software. If you look up toddfun.com, you can download his software. I've modified it. I plan on putting it out on GitHub. Maybe I'll put the link on this video when I'm done. But what I've done is I've transmitted the same pattern out, instantiated out to all the different GPIOs, GPIO 4, 5, and 6. For some reason I can't use GPIO 0, 1, 2, and 3. I think they're being used for something else, but I'm still looking into that. Maybe there's an obvious reason why I'm not able to use those, but I think 3 GPIOs is just fine. Like I said, I'm able to do 5 of these connectors. I share 2 of the GPIOs with 2 strands, and that seems to be working okay. I'm still testing, but I'm confident that that'll work just fine. Down here you can see is the same box that you buy the LEDs with, but what I did is I disabled the resistor power. There's a main power resistor connection there. I just desoldered it, and so there's no connection to the actual circuit. But the power and the ground coming in on the cord here is 5 volts and ground. Those actually route directly to the green here that go to the lights. And then I broke out the data line and connected here, and I connected the ground. So I have the data and the ground coming out here. I just clipped made a hole there. I'm going to seal that later. And this seems to work really well. Keeps it nice and tight and consolidated, and hopefully pretty robust as far as reliable as far as any kind of breaks or anything. So I'm hoping that'll work really well. The interesting thing is, yes, it's working just fine. I'm doing 1 strand right now of 50 lights, and I'm also testing it with 100 feet of 16 gauge power cord. So I think there was some comments that you could only do maybe 20-25 feet or 40 feet if you use Cat 5. I'm just using power cord for 17 bucks, not too bad at Home Depot, 100 feet, and I have no problems whatsoever. So again, this is my demo. I'm interested if anybody has any feedback on how to make this better, but this is pretty cool so far. Hopefully I can get this all working on the house, and I will video that portion in a later time.